Okay, there's like through the because I'm smoking, and you cannot smoke by the fireworks, guys. I'll show you the setup a little bit later. Let me just finish smoking here. This is so awesome. There's photographers, there's EMS. Yo, look at that, look at that, look at that. Whoa! Okay, yeah. Hoor brulai man, hoor brulai. Afrikaners is plesierig, dit kan julle glo. Hulle hou van partytjie en dan maak hulle so. Dan maak hulle so, rol die bloody karre man. Spin hom ook as jy kan. Don't listen to me, I'm just overstimulated. I don't know why I get so excited, but I do. I'm supposed to, but I do. It reminds me of my childhood. Don't worry, they're gonna start now. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Whoa, bro. No. Yebo, kaka. You're gonna hear them now. Yeah, this is the best side. You guys, look at that. Oh my word. Isn't that awesome? There's the EMS people. Woo! A little bit earlier, my phone didn't have space. So actually I couldn't record it for you guys, but Christmas father, he gave a little bit of a lot of sweeties to everyone. They drove around the raceway and then they like gave sweeties to all of the people sitting in the audience. They gave sweeties for their little raceway community, kids and people and supporters. They were driving around throwing them sweeties and stuff. Oh, it was so cute. The vibes. The vibes. The vibes. Okay, now this side. Come on, 208. Oh, that's a beautiful girl. Okay, let me show you these ones. Let me just try and zoom in. My phone is not so good. Look at number 208. He's just going around. He's just going around.